In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert documents to PDF using Adobe Scan, a process that's both quick and easy. Whether you're using it for personal organization or business tasks, Adobe Scan is a powerful tool that simplifies the way you manage your documents. Let's dive into it. First things first, go ahead and open the Adobe Scan app on your iOS or Android device. If you haven't used it before, you might be prompted to sign in. You can easily do this with your Adobe ID, or if you prefer, you can use your Google or Apple account credentials. This will not only give you access to Adobe Scan's features, but also keep your documents synchronized and secure in the Adobe Cloud. Now that you're signed in, let's move on to scanning your document. On the main screen of the app, you'll notice a camera icon, which is sometimes labeled as the scan button. Give that a tap. It's important to place your document on a flat and well-lit surface. Good lighting will ensure the app captures all of the details clearly. Adobe Scan is designed to detect the edges of your document automatically, which makes the process incredibly efficient. But if you prefer manual control, you can opt to tap the camera button to capture the image yourself. Following your scan, it's time to review and edit. This is your chance to make sure everything looks perfect. The app allows you to crop any unnecessary edges, rotate your pages to the correct orientation, and adjust the image quality to suit your needs, choosing between options like color, grayscale, or black and white. These editing tools ensure your final PDF looks exactly how you want it before you save it. Once you're satisfied with your edits, the next step is to save your document as a PDF. Look for the button labeled either Save PDF or Done, depending on the version of the app you're running. By tapping this, Adobe Scan will work its magic, converting your scanned image into a PDF format automatically. This format is universally accepted and ideal for sharing with others or storing it digitally for future access. And there you have it. You've successfully converted your document into a PDF using Adobe Scan. This straightforward process ensures you can maintain and manage your documents efficiently, enhancing productivity. Remember, the more you use it, the easier it becomes. Keep experimenting with its features, and you'll master the art of digital document management in no time. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scanning!